Gaming is one of the most popular activities in the world and is becoming more popular by the day. If you're looking to get into the gaming market, you'll need a gaming PC, and one of the best ways to save money on this is to buy a gaming case. Here are some of the best cases under $100 that will help you get started in your journey to become the next great gamer. So let's get started with the list. List number 1, Corsair 4000D Airflow Tempered Glass Mid-Tower ATX PC Case Black. The Corsair 4000D Airflow is a mid-tower ATX case with easy cable management and exceptional cooling. A steel front panel offers optimal airflow to your components, accompanied by two included 120 air guide fans designed with anti-vortex vanes that enhance cooling. The Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it effortless to route major cables through a single channel with 25 of routing depth. Main feature: combining innovative cable management, Type-C port, high airflow front panel, powerful direct airflow, all the storage you need. List number 2, NZXT H510CA H510B Bone Compact ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. The H510 and H510E Compact Mid-Tower ATX cases are both stunning and an excellent value. Perfect when you want a small footprint ATX case without sacrificing features. A removable radiator mounting bracket, flush tempered glass window, multiple fan filters, and front USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C are just some of the amenities. The clean, modern design, iconic cable management bar, and uninterrupted tempered glass side panel showcase your stunning build. Cable management can often take more time than assembly. We designed a cable routing kit with pre-installed channels and straps for intuitive and easy wiring. Main feature: more modern, still beautiful, enjoyable builds for all. Streamlined cooling, motherboard support. List number 3, Phanteks Eclipse P360 Air Mid-Tower Computer Case. The Eclipse P360A features the ultra-fine performance mesh front panel that combines high airflow performance with dust filtration all in one. The ultra-fine one mesh perforation maximizes airflow without compromising dust filtration to bring the best of both worlds together. With its high-performance design, the P360 is ready for powerful gaming setups with plenty of SSD and HDD storage, 240/280 radiator support, full-length GPU with optional vertical mounting options. Main feature: ultra-fine performance MESH, increased air intake with enlarged mesh surface area, a seamless front panel design with ultra-fine perforations, maximum airflow performance with integrated dust filter, optimized for gaming. List number 4, Thermaltake Core V21 SPCC Micro ATX. Thermaltake can deliver with the Core V21 Extreme Micro ATX Cube chassis, with multiple configurations for both air and liquid cooling setups. The Core V21 offers multiple options for today's cooling demands. Save time with a tool-free drive bay design, optimized airflow, and modular chassis options to configure your build your way and get back to gaming. The case is really nice. It seems really well constructed. BPS Customs as the latest addition to the Core V series. The new Thermaltake Core V21 is a quadrate micro MATX based chassis that offers an endless stackable and flexible thermal solution. It allows externally modular upgrades for enthusiasts to create dual systems. Designed for use in either a vertical or horizontal orientation on the motherboard, users can customize the chassis for the best viewing presentation. Main feature: supports MATX and Mini ITX form factor motherboards. Stackable and flexible thermal solution. 2 USB 3.0, 1 headphone. Includes one 200mm front fan pre-installed. Optimized ventilation. List number 5, NZXT H510CA H510B1 Compact ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. Our new lineup still features the elements builders loved in the original H series, including our patented cable management system, removable fan/radiator mounting brackets, and easy-to-use drive trays, alongside new updates like a front panel USB-C connector supporting high-speed USB 3.1 Gen 2 devices, a tempered glass side panel that installs with a single thumb screw, and an upgraded Smart Device V2 on the H510E. The clean, modern design, iconic cable management bar, and uninterrupted tempered glass side panel showcase your stunning build. With a USB 3.1 Gen 2 compatible USB-C connector on the front panel, It's easier than ever to connect smartphones, high-speed external storage, or the latest peripherals to your PC. Main feature includes USB 3.1 Gen 2 compatibility and USB-C connector. Clean, modern design with uninterrupted tempered glass. Compact mid-tower ATX case. Enjoyable builds for all. Thanks for watching this video.